What's happening, ladies and gentlemen, all between? Fred, my brother, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello. Welcome to another edition of Tunage. Fred's standing in for our fearless co-host, Jason, as he has a weird schedule. And, so Fred's filling in. So we've got...
I'm filling some big shoes for Jason, man. Big shoes.
We got some White Noise by Smith-Kotzen. Now, have you heard any of this stuff, Fred?
I have not. I saw Richie Kotzen earlier this year at the Arcada Theater in St. Charles and put on a phenomenal show. I admit I wasn't that familiar with his catalog, but when I saw him that night, I became a huge fan. So, but I have not heard this.
Yeah, and, Kotzen, he's got several different projects that he plays with, and the Winery Dogs being one of them. Smith-Kotzen, he's probably going to be doing a lot more with as they have their second album out. And Adrian I know he had to evacuate from his place due to the fires. I hope everything's okay that way. Same with Richie. I hope everyone's okay that plays music for us. And, if you happen to be a musician, there is help out there. You can get the Music Cares relief at musiccares.org or call 1-800-687-4227. If you've worked in the music business for 5 years, there's a $1,500 stipend available to you, in case you didn't know that. But so let's check it out with some White Noise. I think it's so cool to see him sing, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For many years,
what a sweet riff, too, huh? To start out with there.
Oh, absolutely.
I'm filling my eyes with nothing but greed. Up in the morning, my eyes are all red. Turn on the news, somehow we ain't dead.
One of the best voices in rock and roll right there. Richie is just amazing. And he's soulful when he sings, He's got something else that no one else has.
Distracted by all they said. These people wear them balls and chains. I'm wearing just a change. So can you hear me through the white noise? Is my message getting through? Oh, yeah. Are you gonna make the right choice? Time to make up your mind before it happens to you. They wanna close my spirit, kill my joy. Can you hear me through the window? I'm hearing you. I wanna trick my jack, bring back my pride. Is my message getting through? Through the white noise, out in the ether, somewhere in time, watching my city succumb to the crime. The revolution, conspiracies rife. Take over my dreams, take over my life. Can you hear me through the white noise? Is my message getting through? I'm hearing it clear. Are you gonna make
Very Bad Company. I'm getting a Bad Company vibe. I'm digging it. You know what I mean?
They got incredible chemistry between the two of them.
Yeah.
Damn.
They
It
can
seemed like
chop.
they've been together forever, and I know this is a relatively new project. Boy, talk about just meshing.
Yeah, absolutely. Sharing the vocals, sharing the guitars. There's definitely some cohesion happening there that doesn't happen often.
the right choice? Time to make a
And Richie doesn't use a pick, man. He plays with his fingers, and he's amazing.
I was going to say, when I saw him a few months ago, I was blown away
Yeah.
how smooth and crisp without a pick. That's all finger picking. It blows me away.
Yeah, incredible. And really, who else is better to have a dueling guitar with? Come on. You know what I mean? If you're going to have two guitar players, unbelievable. That was a great solo of both you guys.
Is my message getting through? I'm gonna make the right choice. Time to make up your mind before it happens to you. Don't wanna close my spirit, kill my joy. Can you hear me through the wet? 'Cause I'm talking to you. I'm gonna drop my jack, bring back my voice. Is my message getting through? I can hear it through the white noise. Hear it through the white noise.
Well, that's the way
Yeah.
you do it.
That was damn good. Wow.
White noise.
Fantastic.
Smith-Kotzen.
You have, if
Absolutely.
anybody hasn't checked them out, and there's news to me, check them out. We're going to definitely pursue a little bit more of this.
Oh, yeah. And as always, see local music, go buy local music. Also, even the bigger bands that aren't local, buy from them direct when you can. Don't download, buy something tangible they make. That's really how you can support the artist directly. So they
Yep.
would prefer if you did that, because one CD is 1,000 downloads as far as the quality of what they get paid. So
Yep.
if you could do that, that would be awesome. And as Jason would say, keep listening, and we'll see you guys next time.